Hello friends. In today's video, we will look at replacing the spark plugs on Voyage Avenger 220 cruise motorcycle. This motorcycle has two spark plugs that need replacement. Let's start. As you see, first, we need to remove the plug adapter from the top of the plug so that we can have access to the chamber where the spark plug socket wrench can go in. To loosen the spark plug, the threads of it are to be turned anti-clockwise. Now, as you see, the spark plug is worn out since it has leaked, and it's burnt out at the ceramic level. This is the new Bosch spark plug part number UR6CE that will be fitted. However, before assembling, it needs to adjust the gap between the spark plug nodes. I am doing it with a screwdriver since I have an experience of the gap size. But for your info, a gap recommended needs to be 0.7 to 0.8. Now turn the plug clockwise to tighten the plug. Now connect the plug adapter back on to the plug. Let's go on to the other side where we have the second spark plug. Procedure remains the same of removing the second spark plug as the first one. Also, both plugs have the same part number. Voila, the job's done. I hope now it will be easy for you all friends to replace the spark plugs. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in another informative video about motorcycles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. and also send it all your friends who love motorcycles. Take care.